I will never wait days for a truck insurance quote again. I think I messed up. I didn't know instant coverage was already a thing. Here's how fleets get protected in minutes. Start with the right policy. Primary liability. Physical damage cargo workers' comp. Cyber DiamondBack streamlines group policies. Multiple trucks get tailored limits. Coordinated renewals. Fewer gaps, less admin. Competitive rates and flexible monthly plans. Transparent pricing, no surprise fees. Instant online quotes and same-day binding. Get covered and keep rolling. Everything's handled through user-friendly dashboards to speed claims, reduce downtime. Ready to protect your fleet? Visit diamondbackins.com, trucking insurance instant online quote. Get covered today.